Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add admin on Facebook page. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, after you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this arrow to switch to your Facebook page. So here is my Facebook page. I will just tap on it. So as you can see now, it's switching. So after you switch to your Facebook page, all you have to do now, tap on this session. Now all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side again. After you tap on this menu, as you can see now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says professional dashboard. Under this professional dashboard, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down, and tap on this page access, this one. Under this page access, all you have to do now, tap on this second option which says who or people with tax access. So tap on it, this one. Tap on this add button. After you tap on this add button, all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So now all you have to do now, the person that you want to add him to be your page admin on your Facebook page, now you can go ahead and tap in his email address or search the person on Facebook. So if the person has a Facebook account, just type in his name. But if the person has no Facebook account, you can just type in his email address. So I'll just go and search the person. So here is the person that I want to meet. After you search for the person, tap on this. So here is best now. Now you can go ahead and turn on these activities for the person. So now I'll just go and allow him to see everything about the Facebook page. So after you just read the terms, all he can do on the page, so tap on this give access. So from this section, all you have to do now, go and type in your Facebook page, or your go and type in your Facebook password. So by typing your Facebook password now and typing this confirm now, you send him an invitation that you want him to be your Facebook admin. So he can get just an message that, and after he confirm the message, now he can be able now to see everything about the Facebook page. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.